Good morning, guys. It's your girl, Portia Taylor, Black Rose Ride. I am here showing off the new Packtalk Edge from Cardo. If you haven't seen it before, we're going to learn about it together. I did go to a demo of this unit that they had when they first launched it last year. And let me tell you something. It was impressive immediately. The thing that I really liked about it was the magnet technology that snaps the unit in place on the helmet. So you're not fumbling with clasps and things like that. I thought that was really cool. And we're gonna get to know about it a little bit together. I'm gonna do a quick video showing me add it to the helmet to see how easy and or hard that actually is. So let's do it. Okay, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the new Cardo Packtalk Edge. This comes here, let's see what we get inside this thing. I have to say though, I'm an avid user of Cardo Packtalk products. I've been using them for, I wanna say the last 4 or 5 years, and they've never failed me when it mattered the most. I'll be in torrential downpours and can still get great quality sound. And it never shorts. The battery life is actually pretty long. I think standard battery life for me has been 10 hours fully charged. And that's with the unit fully running. I can answer calls, hands-free. All of that helps me keep my mind focused on the ride. So here's what the new unit looks like. This is the Packtalk Edge. It's a little bit smaller than the old one. So this is the old Packtalk Bold. This is the new Packtalk Edge. So size-wise, it's a lot slimmer, I think. It's less bulky. This one might be a little bit shorter in length, but this one is definitely sleeker. And if you notice, the buttons are more pronounced on this one. They're easier to find and easier to use. And let me show you that magnet thing I was talking about. And this has that magnet technology I was telling you about. Okay, so I just, I never like reading instructions. Nobody in my generation ever reads instructions. We just do it, right? But you're supposed to press this down and then slide it out. And that's how you separate the unit from the device. But when you're in a hurry, right, you're just trying to get going. It's that simple. And it locks and it's not going anywhere. So it's super secure when you're riding. Then you hold that down, slide it out, and that's how you get it off. So that's pretty cool. I like that. It looks like it's got universal connectors, so I can either use the headphones that I already have installed, which I like those a lot, or I can install new ones. So you've got this is your headphone jack, this is your boom mic jack. You just attach the two and you're good to go. And so I'll show you kind of what that looks like here. So I've already got the headphones installed, and here you can see the wires and the connectors here. So in the interest of time, I'm probably just gonna use what's already here. I'll just connect those two connectors. So you can see here, you just pop the audio jack cable there. This is your boom mic cable. My boom mic's already installed. Here's the cable attachment here. See if you guys can see this. Let me see if I can move this down a little bit more. So you got your boom. Okay, that's probably as much as I need anyway. So you got your boom mic here. Just take this piece, male to female connector, install that. That's already in there. And then here is the place where I had my old Cardo unit on the helmet. So we're gonna take the clip and attach it to the helmet. This is where my other one was attached. So hopefully it'll just slide right into position in the same place. And it's gonna take some working. You gotta work it in there. It's pretty tight. You don't want it to come off, so it's okay that it's tight. And you just keep working until you get it over that lip. slide it down a little bit. Keep working, keep working. There. So now you can see it's on there. It's very secure. It's not going anywhere. This thing is on there. So the next step is to hide your cables inside your helmet so that they're not just jostling all around and moving around while you're riding. So my tuck them in really nice and neat, and double check one more time, push it down, so make sure it's not gonna move around on me. All right, it is officially installed at this point. So next step is to charge the main unit up, and then we'll be ready to rock.